Replace your job with these 5 income streams by Money Mindset 1011. What if I told you that the average millionaire has 7 income streams and you only need 5 to completely replace your job? Think about it. One income is no longer enough. In today's economy, depending on a single paycheck is like building your house on quicksand. One layoff, one emergency, or one economic crash, and your entire financial life can come crashing down. But what if you could create freedom? What if there was a roadmap, 5 simple income streams that could help you escape the 9-to-5 grind, build real security, and design a life on your terms? In this video, I'll break down exactly how to do that. Let's stop surviving and start building wealth. Welcome back to Money Mindset 1011, where we turn smart strategies into real financial freedom. If you've ever felt like your job controls your life, your schedule, your income, even your dreams, you're not alone. The truth is, the system was never built to make you rich. It was built to make you dependable. But guess what? You don't need to work 40+ hours a week until retirement to live well. Today, we're talking about 5 powerful income streams that can slowly replace your job and eventually give you the freedom to walk away from it entirely. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're practical, proven, and accessible, even if you're starting from zero. Ready to build real wealth on your own terms? Let's dive in. Problems. Let's be honest. Most people are one paycheck away from panic, and it's not your fault. School taught us how to earn a living, not how to build multiple sources of income. Relying on one job makes your entire livelihood vulnerable. If that job disappears, your financial foundation crumbles. That's why income diversification isn't just smart, it's essential. Now let's talk solutions. Number 1, freelance or consulting services. If you have a skill, writing, graphic design, web development, marketing, teaching, there's someone out there willing to pay for it. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn can connect you to clients. You don't need a degree, just proof that you can solve problems. Start part-time, build your reputation, and eventually this stream can fully replace your job. Number 2, digital products or online courses. This is one of the most scalable income streams out there. If you know something others want to learn, package it into an ebook, template, or course. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Udemy make it easy. Create it once, and it can sell forever. Yes, it takes time up front, but this builds true passive income. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Recommend products you love and earn commissions when people buy through your link. This works especially well if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or active social media. Join programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or even specific brand affiliate programs. You're not selling, you're simply recommending and earning. Number 4, print on demand/e-commerce. Sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, journals, without keeping inventory. Sites like Printful, Redbubble, or Etsy let you upload designs and they handle the rest. You make money every time someone buys. This is great for creatives and side hustlers who want to build something fun and low risk. Number 5, dividend-paying stocks or REIT. Want your money to make money? Invest in dividend stocks or REITs, real estate investment trusts. These assets pay you just for owning them. It's not fast money, but over time, your dividends grow and can become a steady monthly income. You can start with just $5 using apps like Robinhood, M1 Finance, or Stash. The earlier you begin, the stronger this stream becomes. Take Jamal, for example. He started freelancing while working full-time. Then he turned his expertise into an online course. 6 months later, his side hustle was making more than his job. He didn't quit right away. He used the income to build up investments and eventually walked away from his 9-to-5. He didn't win the lottery. He just diversified one step at a time. So let's recap the 5 income streams that can help you replace your job. Number 1, freelance or consulting. Number 2, digital products or online courses. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Number 4, print on demand/e-commerce. Number 5, dividend stocks, or REITs. You don't have to start all five at once. Pick one, master it, then add another. That's how wealth is built, brick by brick. Which of these income streams are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your plan. And if you want more step-by-step videos on how to build and grow these streams, hit that subscribe button and join us here at Money Mindset 1011. Your future self will thank you.